How to redeem Discover cashback bonus. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Discover cashback bonus. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are signed in, and once signed into your Discover account, click on the Ways to Redeem button below your cashback balance to be taken to the rewards page. There, you will be presented with 4 redemption options. First, you can redeem your cashback towards cash. Next, with Amazon purchases. Next, with gift cards. And next, with charitable donations. First up, let's talk about redeeming for cashback. The first redemption option is for cash in the form of account, credit, or a direct deposit to your bank account. You'll get the full value of your rewards like this, and there's no minimum redemption amount. Second, shop at Amazon.com. Alternatively, you could shop with points at Amazon, but since rewards maintain a $1 to $1 value, there's no advantage in taking this route. You'd be better off using your card to pay your Amazon purchase, potentially earn additional rewards. The third option is redeem for gift cards. As mentioned above, there's just one way to increase the value of your cashback rewards, and that is by redeeming for gift cards. Redemption for gift cards start at $20 and earn at least a $5 bonus. The discount and minimum redemption amount varies based on the merchant. So, for example, $20 gets you 25 at Banana Republic but $30 at Sunglass Hut. Other merchants include iTunes and Whole Foods, but they have higher minimum redemption amounts, that is $45 and $70 respectively. Option 4. Make charitable donations. The final and possibly most rewarding way you could redeem your cash back is donating it to charity. There is no value added to your cashback with this type of redemption, so you may want to first cash out your rewards and then make the donation outright in order to have greater flexibility in where your money goes and potentially earn online miles for giving back. So, this is how you can redeem Discover cashback bonus. If you find the tutorial helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.